If you're a customer of ours, you probably have this because it's an absolute necessity. They all stamp beautifully, and I'm sure you all are seeing the comments of what other people are saying about them. They are showstoppers. Hey everybody, it is Devon from the Maniology community. Today we are going to be doing a comparison of all of our black stamping polishes. Okay, let's jump right into it. So we have our three most popular and favorite black polishes, and the first one is Black Magic, which is a gorgeous holographic black, and this was inside our old Mani by Me subscription. The crowd favorite, which is our straight up black stamping polish. Everyone uses this. If you're a customer of ours, you probably have this because it's an absolute necessity. And then the third one is a shimmer metallic, and it's called Mirror Mirror. So I'm going to be comparing all three of these black stamping polishes today. So let's just start off with, we'll start with the first one because I know you guys love holographics. It's definitely worth picking up. People love it. I love it. And this is one coat. As you can see, it's gorgeous. And then let's try our next black stamping polish, and that is going to be straight up black. As you can see, with one coat, we have full coverage, and this tip was clear, so you can see that it is really opaque. The next color we're gonna do is Mirror Mirror. Hold on, let me just grab this tip. So Mirror Mirror is also really awesome because it's kind of perfect for when you want a black stamping polish, but maybe you don't want it to be so dark. This is a really good one. Kind of has like a silver metallic shimmer sheen to it. Let's see. And these are our three black stamping polishes. So you can tell they all are extremely opaque with one coat. They all stamp beautifully, and I'm sure you all are seeing the comments of what other people are saying about them. They are showstoppers. So next I'm going to be stamping on these tips. I just want to let you know that these tips are like ridiculously huge. Most people do not have nails this large. I know there are customers that do, but I'd say majority of people don't have nails this big. So when I stamp, you might notice that it doesn't cover the full tip, and that's okay because the whole point is for you to see the color comparison on white. So I'm just gonna apply this down, and this is a plate from our fairy kingdom. And also, if this does happen, you could always just, whoops, fill the unstamped part with the excess stamp on your stamper. And then this is our holographic black. So I feel like on a white surface, you don't really get as much of the shimmer versus if we were to stamp on, for example, a dark color like our straight up black or maybe even a dark cream purple, you'll really be able to see more of that sparkle and shimmer, especially when you apply a top coat. But today I'm not going to be doing that. So that is the first color. And again, these kinds of like special effects colors work great for when you want something that is on the darker side, but maybe not a plain black, or maybe you don't want something that's so harsh. So the next one that we're going to be doing is Mirror Mirror. And this is kind of a metallic shimmer. It's not like a pearl metallic where it has a nice smooth finish. It's kind of got more of a sparkly finish. And again, I feel like you're not going to see as much of the shimmer on this like opaque white. I think it's because it's a little bit too harsh, but I wanted to show you what it looks like on white so you can kind of see the color comparisons of how dark or how light they are when they're stamped over white. I think you're going to see more of the shimmer, more of the shine when you are working on a dark color. For some reason, I just feel like that sparkle really comes through. And also when you top coat. So let me show you all three colors side by side so you guys can take a look. There you go. This is our three most popular black stamping polishes and are great for different effects. So another thing that you can do if you really want the stamping polish to be darker and maybe intensify the shimmer is you could always double stamp. And I'm not going to be doing that today, but that's just an idea. So the concept is that you would stamp that black, straight up black stamping polish, and then you could take a color like this and stamp over it with the same stamp. You could even do that with our duochromes for a really cool effect. So these are our three polishes that we covered in today's live, and I'm just going to scroll through the comments to see what you guys had to say and if I could answer any questions. So now if you have any things that you want to ask me or want to know, please go ahead and type them in the comments below so I can answer them. Mindy, yes, the music is coming from our live. I decided to try something new and add a little music. Seems like we don't really have any questions today. Well, that is pretty much all for the live. So in case you are curious about these polishes, I believe we will be linking them after the live so that way you can click on the products and grab them if you want. Well, seems like that's it. Thank you so much everyone for joining us, and I hope to see you guys create something beautiful with these colors. If you do, please make sure to mention us and hashtag us. We love seeing your creations in our community, on Instagram, we even have a TikTok now, so if you are on TikTok, make sure you follow us because we do upload little tips and tricks and stuff there. So again, make sure you check us out. And I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and an amazing rest of the week. I'll talk to you guys later.